Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Manychat account to your Instagram account. If you'd like to get started with Manychat, you can use the link in the description to get started and create your account for free. This is an affiliate link, which means we do get a small commission if you click on it. Let's get into the video. So if you already have a Manychat account, you will find yourself in here. On the left hand side, you will see your menu and you're going to look for settings. Once you go into settings, you'll see on the left there is another menu, and here you will go to channels and you can click on Instagram. Once you are in here, you will see this pop up and we're going to click on connect. Now, some of the things that you need to know is that your Instagram account needs to be a professional account. So on the right hand side, you'll have to click on the go to Instagram. And this will give you the pop-up window where you can access your Instagram account. So let's go and click on allow. And then you can just activate a pro trial if you would like to. But for now, I'm going to go with the free. And we have now connected our Instagram account. And you can manage everything right here from Manychat.